Hi everyone, Jeremy from Lyre here, and I'm here with Fever Tree's Trish Brew and the fabulous Conchita Grande. How are you guys?
Hello.
Woo!
Well, listen, in celebration of Mardi Gras, we're partnering to show you the perfect pairings of Lyre's non-alcoholic spirits and Fever Tree Premium Tonic. So we've got a couple of amazing cocktails we're going to show you today, and they're lots of fun. And this is a great way to celebrate Mardi Gras if you're not drinking, if you're taking a little bit easy. I know we all have a little bit of indulgence over the last sort of year. So this is just a fabulous way to take a little bit of guilt-free pleasure in a wonderful week that's coming up as Mardi Gras. So should we kick off by showing you guys the Bianco Spritz, and then we'll do the wonderful Pink Gin Fuzz a little bit later. What do you reckon, guys?
Yes, let's do it. Let's get into it.
Cool, cool. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to make this one. You guys, I really want you to kind of to work along with me here.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how simple this drink actually really is. So we're going to be taking our aperitif dry, and we're going to be doing 30 mils or 1 part, or I guess 2 tablespoons if you really care. So I'm going to quickly pour that in, and hopefully you guys will as well. So 30 mils of that, so or 1 part, or 1 jigger, or a shot glass, or whatever you've got.
There we go.
And then we're going to use our orange sec. So we've kind of gone that really beautiful herbal kind of style vermouth. And then we've got this lovely, rich, sweet style of orange sec, which is fabulous in this particular cocktail. I've pre-done the garden herb vibe in here with our cucumber. I've wrapped that already inside the glass, but you guys can just throw a piece of cucumber in there if you want.
Oh, you're all fancy. Look at you.
Look at that glass, Trish. That's unreal. That's ridiculous. It's huge. I'd be too scared I'm going to break that thing. That's beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much, Jeremy. I love big glasses when I'm making cocktails because you can fit more in, can't you?
Yeah. Vino o'clock in that thing. Amazing. Okay, so I have got the 2 Lyre's products in there. I've just thrown in a couple of pieces of lemon as well. We've got our cucumber in there as well. So throw your lemon in there, guys. We'll put the ice in last. You can put the ice in now if you want, Trish. we need to put in, though, the delicious Fever Tree. Now, this is a fabulous cocktail because I personally love the Fever Tree Mediterranean Tonic. It's just a little bit lighter in flavor. But can you run us through why it's so awesome, please, Trish?
Absolutely, Jeremy. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Even if you think you don't like tonic, trust me, give the Fever Tree Mediterranean a try. We've got half the amount of the quinine that you would find in a traditional Indian style of tonic, so already going to be way more approachable. We also use botanicals such as lemon, thyme, and rosemary. So you've really got that Mediterranean feel, which I think is going to go just perfectly with these 2 vermouth vibe Lyre's products today. What do you reckon?
Awesome. Yeah, awesome.
I can't wait to try this.
Yeah, it's really good. Now just throw in maybe a couple of shots, maybe 90 mils or so.
Ooh, so
we're
fizzy.
kind of gone. Yeah, it's super fizzy, beautiful beads on this one, delicious bubbles. And Trish made a really good point. A lot of people get really freaked out with the word tonic. So this is a fabulous example of something a little bit lighter. It's kind of a hybrid. You know, maybe I shouldn't use that expression, but for me, it's not so full on. It's really soft, less in sugar, great Mediterranean vibes, and perfect for this cocktail. So I'm going to ice her up. How are you going there, Conchita?
I'm going good. Look, I'm just mixing it all up. It looks amazing. And
have you got some ice in there?
Liqueurs in there smell amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try it.
Well, one of the last things I like to do is to put in some, I get teased about my usage of plump fresh mint. So I always like to put my plump mint in here. So this is just an aroma. So it's just that love. I just said plump, not pump. So this is just a lovely.
I said plump too.
Oh, my mistake.
Wishful thinking.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Get to my age. So look, here we go, and we've just got our lovely kind of cucumber in there. We've got our fresh citrus, lovely mint, delicious Fever Tree, and amazing couple of products here. Sorry, from the Lyre's range. Cheers, guys. Happy Mardi Gras. Let's give this a go.
Happy Mardi Gras.
Yes.
Yum.
Oh, that's delicious. Oh.
So fresh.
So fruity and fresh.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a fabulous drink for anyone who likes that kind of wine vibe, because, you know, you've got obviously the dry vermouth and has those wine characteristics to it. So very light, very summery, even though it is autumn. But this is an all-occasion cocktail to drink when you're not wanting to drink. So I'm glad you enjoyed that one.
It's beautiful, and the best thing, there'll be no consequences after drinking a few of these.
There might be a couple, but Hopefully
No
not.
bad decisions will be made.
Famous last words. Should we crack on for the next one?
Yes, absolutely.
Okie dokie. Hey, so this year, obviously, Conchita, Mardi Gras is a little bit different from obviously previous years. You guys are you're doing stuff down at the SCG, the cricket ground. Is that correct?
Yes, we've condensed all the parade right up into there, and everyone's just going to be partying all in the one spot with all the spectators everywhere, which I think is going to be quite amazing, actually, because everyone's going to get a fantastic view of everything, of all the parade, and it's just going to be so much fun, something different to do.
Well, yeah, I'm sure it's going to be like a really weird vibe for a lot of people that have spent so many years loving the parade coming up and down Oxford Street. But this will be a really interesting one, and I can't wait to see how the MCG turns out, actually. It's going to be a great party and a great night.
It'll be amazing.
SCG, sorry.
Yeah, especially because, you know, we could almost not have one, but we're still going to have our Mardi Gras and we're still going to have our party, and it's going to be amazing. I think it's something different. We've all had a very different year, so it's only understandable that we have a very different Mardi Gras this year, and I think it's going to be one to remember.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Well, cool. Good luck with the weekend. I'm sure you have loads of fun.
Oh, I will.
All right, speaking of fun, we're going to do another cocktail now called the Pink Gin Fuzz, or Fizz. So this is a cocktail, funnily enough, that we came up with while we did the Fever Tree Gin and Tonic Festival about 1.5 years ago. We were there and we were making gin and tonics, and we just came up with this cocktail because we're using our London dry style gin. We use our Italian orange, so it's a bit of a Campari vibe going on there.
Oh, amazing.
Absolutely delicious Fever Tree Elderflower, so and some other bits and pieces. So this actually came, and I'm not lying, came at the Fever Tree G&T Festival. So hope you guys enjoy this one. So we're going to kind of do that same theory again of just one part of the London dry style spirit, or the gin-esque, so to speak, and then one part of the Italian orange. So if we all just want to pull that in, one part of the gin.
Here we go.
Yep. And then just whatever you did there, same amount again for that delicious Italian orange.
Beautiful. It even smells like gin. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got some really nice kind of bitter notes to it. We've got delicious kind of citrus, a little bit of orange blossom. So it's got that, all those lovely things everyone loves about that London dry style gin. Okay, so we've got our little pink kind of gin combo happening here. I'm going to go to the elderflower first. I like to put the mixer in first. That's just me personally. Can you tell us a little bit about this elderflower, because it's a great product?
Absolutely. Well, other than the fact that it matches the gorgeous Conchita's dress today.
Oh, I know. How fabulous is that?
Oh my God, you're the brand ambassador for this one. So other than that, we use these beautiful English elderflowers from the countryside, and they really have this beautiful aroma. We pick them and press them within 24 hours, so you can have that sort of fresh garden aroma all year round. Not as fresh as Conchita, of course, my goodness gracious.
You're welcome. It's lovely. It actually does smell quite amazing as well.
Absolutely.
I love it. And it's a plus that my outfit matches as well. I do like that.
The most important part.
Yes.
Cool. All right, so we've got our 2 Lyre products in there. We've got our elderflower in there. I've thrown in some oranges just to give it that orange vibe. And then we're just going to ice this up. A little bit of ice. So you get that kind of really lovely pink kind of vibe going on here. Just give it a little bit of a stir. So we've got our little bit of Pink Gin Fuzz. Now we're going to have a little bit more fun. Back to my plump mint. Always love a bit of plump mint. And the only reason why, it's just a lovely aroma. I mean, the freshness of mint is just something so delicious on the nose. I've got some edible flowers as well. So I've got I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've got a little bit of edible flower on there. I'm going to throw a straw in the top. One little last thing that I do with this cocktail is just to give it that really nice kind of blossom sort of vibe to go with the elderflower. But you've got some orange blossom and a little aromatizer here. I don't know if you can see if you can spray that. I'm spraying it over the top.
You've been all fancy.
Aren't I? And that's just so that's just to bring out some of those lovely notes of the elderflower, the lovely notes of the gin, and just to make it a little bit more fancy. So guys, there's the Pink Gin Fizz.
Oh, that tastes amazing. It tastes so naughty, but it's not.
Yeah, you get a bit giddy on them. You get a little bit of placebo. Yeah, it's funny.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, trust me. So guys, that's the two kind of cocktails that we were going to show you today, utilizing obviously the Lyre's range, and then these fabulous Fever Tree products as well, just to show you how simple cocktails can really be. I think everyone kind of overcomplicated it a little bit, but fancy stuff can be done well and simple. You don't need to get a massive amounts of ingredients and equipment. Just some really quality premium products, and you're good to go.
You have to get the best mixes for your cocktails, I say.
Absolutely, and Fever Tree is, if not the best in the world. So we love using Fever Tree. Thank you, Trish.
Cheers. Thanks, guys.
Well, happy Mardi Gras. Have a fabulous week and a great weekend. And we can't wait to see what happens. We'll be looking out on your Instagram for what happens over the weekend. So,
it'll be amazing. Thank you so much. Look at this, double parked already.
Awesome.
Happy Mardi Gras.
See ya.
Happy Mardi Gras.